prima di lasciare i mobili e il tabacco ahí. En terra, cambiarlo.
Julie, let's do a selfie.
Lovely picture.
With you.
Right, selfie. Do my selfie. Thank you very much. That's the tobacco facility. Huh?
guys have to.